Yeah, I'm Mzwakhe Khumalo from Davidson, Secretary of African National Congress, Zonal Secretary.
So, personally, today it's Freedom's Day. Now, personally, what does Freedom Day mean to you?
Freedom Day to me, it means time where we are able to do things the way we feel, in line with the laws of the country. Freedom Day means, it's time where our people are able to move around, able to participate in policy making in the country, and also, contribute towards the betterment of lives of others in South Africa, basically, I would say that.
And then, pre-1994, were you a resident here in eThwathwa?
Yes, I was a resident in eThwathwa. I was born here in Davidson.
So, where did you cast your first vote?
At Pandimfundo Secondary School, eThwathwa.
Tell us more about that.
Yeah, well, it was my first time, as a young person at the time, going to cast my vote, and there was long queues, and it was 4 days activity where, the government of the time gave us 4 days to go and cast our vote. Everyone was given enough time to go and cast, their vote. And though I will not remember most of the things that happened on the day, but one thing that I know, it was, one of the biggest excitement, to us as black people, as black communities, to go and cast, our votes.
So would you say from 1994 until now, it's 32 years in democracy? Is there anything that you can point out and say, these 1, 2, 3 have changed, and then these should continue, the government should pay attention on them, things like that?
I think a lot have changed.